We're really excited to launch our new Level 5 meals. These meals are going to offer a lot more variety and excitement to the range. So what we've done is we've taken our Level 5 meals and we've shaped the protein component. So we're really excited to announce the launch of our Level 5 shaped range. This features a salmon in dill sauce, a vegetable and West Country cheddar bake, a beef grill steak, and a rich beef in gravy. This shaping of the protein component is really going to help to lift the visuals and stimulate the appetite of those individuals that require a texture-modified diet. With their stimulated appetite, this is really going to help to make sure that they can get in the nutrition that they require, because often these individuals will be at risk of malnutrition. We're also going to be launching some more Level 5 dishes. We're offering a pasta bolognese in our Level 5 range for the first time, which has a really exciting, rich flavour. And we're also able to offer 2 more potato top pies, our delicious fish pie and our brand new creamy chicken pie. The creamy chicken pie is going to help create continuity between our IDSI levels. So we now have a chicken pie in our Level 5 and a chicken pie in our Level 6 to help people progress back up through the levels with familiar flavours. All of our meals have been produced expertly to ensure that we adhere to the IDSI framework. We can't wait for you to try these delicious new meals.